We meet again virtually. Today, I have a very interesting game for you guys. It's called Spy Fall. So basically, in this group, there is one spy among us, okay? But we don't know who that spy is except for the spy, of course. So what you're going to do is all of us are going to be at the same location, which all of us will know except for the spy. So the spy will not know which location we are at. He or she will only know that they are the spy, okay? So now everybody keeps quiet. When I start the game, we all can ask each other any questions related to that location or related to your roles. You can ask any questions, but be sure not to mention the location or your role, okay? If not, the spy is going to catch it, and then obviously we're all going to lose lah. So shall we start?
Yeah.
This place? Who will work this place? Can you describe for me?
All levels of people can work. You can be like SPM, diploma, degree. You can work here. It's like a lot of people can work there lah. They need you in every level. Hema, what do you really do in a place like this?
I usually greet people. People see me first when they come here. That's what I do.
I see.
Okay.
What do you do? What do you do, Pravina?
I just go there for fun, chill, and eat all the food. And yeah, sometimes I let my friend pay the money.
I have a question for Elaine.
Yeah.
What kind of people come to this place?
Anyone also can come.
Anyone else?
Yeah.
So
Poor people can come.
Two people
Poor people. Let's say I know money. Can I come here?
can.
Jason, I got a question for you.
Sure.
Are we moving or are we stationary?
Moving? It's moving.
Okay. Harshal, can you go to this place at night? Like middle of the night, 1 a.m. Can go.
Yeah, you can.
So what do you do there? 1 a.m. Who you bring?
Yeah, that's none of your business. Sorry.
Fine.
What you do at there?
I make sure that the services offered are done.
Okay. I have a question for Jason though. Jason, what do you do there?
Normally cleaning.
Normally cleaning.
Oh, Ellen, I have a question for you. So
Yes.
so if somebody just goes there, eat, right?
Yes.
Do they usually, like, for example, I want to eat Mamak mee goreng.
Okay.
Is it usually like super expensive here or like just normal price as the one we get in Mamak?
Okay. To verify your doubt, it's actually based on geographical location. If it's located at the city, then you can get, like what you are saying. But if it's located at the rural area, I think it should be normal price. Am I right, Maindan? Can you verify for me for that?
Wow.
Maindan?
I think it's generally more expensive than normal mamak shop. Yeah, generally more expensive. Question for Elaine.
Yeah.
What do you not do there?
I think I will not smoke there. If not, I will kena saman.
Interesting. So, Hema, are there like many people coming to this place very churi-churi?
possible if they are trying to sneak in at 1 a.m. like what Phil said.
I said none of your business, guys. Please.
Okay. Do we have to pay deposit at this place, or can just go anytime?
I think it specifically depends on the place as well. Depends on the owner. If the owner have a different package, I think should be fine. Maybe Kali Nila, since you are a lawyer, can you help me to justify this matter?
Why you always read anything to people, ah? Why, ah?
Out.
Suspecting of it now.
Exactly.
Do you need a ticket to get in?
Ticket. It's a nice question. It's a beautiful question. But I think nowadays world we can do online. So I think online will be the best solution. It's not a necessity for us to get a ticket.
In that case, I have a question for you.
Wow, everybody's
Yes.
pondering now.
Okay, this place that you work in, where do we usually find it? Like, where is it commonly found at?
Where can
do
we
you
find? It can be everywhere. It's everywhere in this world you can find this place. Ipoh you can find. Kuala Lumpur you can find. Subang you can find. Even Kampar also you can find.
What a
Am I right,
cover-up.
Kalimantan?
Elaine, can you make money out of it? Like if you are using this service, can you have that as an investment? Can you use that to get profits when you're using the service?
You can invest into this business.
Nice. Okay, time's up. Okay, can we
Let's
vote
vote.
now?
Yeah.
Okay, I vote for Ilangesh. Harshal.
I vote for Ilangesh.
2 votes for Ilangesh. Nilaka.
Ilangesh.
3 votes for Ilangesh.
I vote for Hilangesh also.
4 votes for Ilangesh. I think we already know the majority, but anyway, Maindan.
Yes.
5 votes for Ilangesh. Jisen.
Yes.
But let's hear it from her. Who do you vote for?
Ilangesh.
It's a unanimous decision, guys. So please.
Well, I don't think it's a meme, but I think wait, I should be I think Laijisen or Elaine.
Ilangesh, it doesn't matter who you choose anymore because like all 7 of us.
Yeah. Should have stopped at 5.
So
Okay.
can the spy please reveal himself or herself?
It's me.
What?
Elaine, I told you, you use me.
What?
Everywhere got hotel.
Be sure not to mention the location.
I thought it's silent.
Ilangesh,
You don't need a ticket for a hotel, Ilangesh.
Yeah, you are Tenga good at multi run yourself, day.
I need to explain. The hotel
he said the location again.
internally.
We lost. Guys,
Wait,
Don't
she
change the hotel, okay?
needs to know where we are, what we are.
but you already know. Ilangesh just said loud and clear.
Elaine, good job, Elaine. Nobody suspected you.
Yeah, exactly. Nobody suspected. How did you know the answer?
Yeah. I
I mean,
agree.
guess.
Wow.
What your guess is quite good.
Very pro.
Yeah. I didn't suspect you guys, it was all like me. And
Tally with whatever
Why
that
were
you say.
Why were you suspecting me, guys? I was so clear about it. The answer should have been sufficient to know.
Humans, we all make mistakes. So congratulations, Elaine, for winning this game without even trying.
Thank you.
See you all in the next episode of Spyfall. Yes, bye.
Bye, everyone. Good night.